Hello students, I welcome you all to this class. Today we will learn our next grammar topic, pronouns. As you know, we have completed noun. So let us start. First of all, we will read the definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used at the place of a noun. It is used to avoid the repetition of noun. Okay, it plays the same role as that of a noun. Like noun, it has number, gender and case, etc. Let's read some examples. Rohit is a good boy. Rohit's mother is a teacher. Rohit's father is a doctor. Rohit goes for a walk daily. So, to avoid the repetition of the subject Rohit, we will write these sentences like this. His mother is a teacher. His father is a doctor. He goes for a walk daily. So, to avoid the repetition, we have used his and he at the place of noun Rohit. So, one more thing, dear students, we are using pronoun to make our writing more clear, more catchy and more attractive. Now we will read the types of pronoun. Let us read it. Pronouns can be classified into 7 kinds. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and the last is relative pronoun. So first of all, we will discuss the first one, personal pronoun. Let's read it. This pronoun is used in the place of all 3 persons, first, second and third person. Let us explain personal pronoun with the help of a table. So as you can see in the table, first person, second person and third person. Or we are having singular and plural. Let us read it. So the first person will be I, me, myself, and the plural will be we, us, ourselves. Second is you, yourself, and the plural will be you, yourselves. And third is 3 types, masculine, feminine and neuter. Masculine, he, himself, him. She, her, herself. It, itself. And the plural will be they, them, themselves. So, first of all, we will discuss first person. So, dear student, it denotes the speaker of the statement. Okay. It has 2 numbers, singular, plural. Suppose I am speaking. Okay. So, the subject, the speaker, that is the first person. Okay. And he will use the pronouns for himself, that will be I, my, mine. Second person, it denotes the person with whom the speaker is speaking. Second person's pronouns are you, your. Suppose I am speaking and you are listening. Okay, so you are listening and I will use the pronoun for you, yourself. Okay, and the third person, it denotes the persons or things about which something is being said. Okay, so it has 2 numbers and 3 genders as we have read in the table. So the next is cases of pronoun. So first of all, we will read it. There are three cases of pronoun. The first is nominative case, second is accusative case, and third is possessive case. The first one is the nominative case. Here, pronoun is used as a subject like I, we, he, she, they, and it are used as nominative case. For example, I am Rahul's brother. So here I, that is nominative case. Second is accusative case. Here pronoun is used as an object. Me, us, you, him, her, them, and it are used as an accusative case. For example, Rahul hates her. So here her, it is accusative case. And third is possessive case. Here pronoun is used to show ownership or relationship. Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs, and its are used as possessive case. For example, this purse is mine. So here mine is possessive case. Okay. So now we will read second type, and the name is possessive pronoun. Let's read the definition. A pronoun that denotes ownership or possession or relationship is called a possessive pronoun. It can also be called possessive case of pronoun as mentioned above. Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs, and its are some possessive pronoun. Let us see some examples. This pen is mine. Okay, so mine, this is possessive pronoun and it is showing ownership. This house is yours. So yours, it is possessive pronoun. This house of theirs is quite old-fashioned. So theirs, so it will be possessive pronoun. Now, dear students, we will learn what is the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. So, this to you know कि we are also having possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns also. Possessive adjectives like my, our, your, his, her, theirs or its. And possessive pronoun, it will be mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs or its. But now we will learn what is the difference between these two. So let's read it. A possessive pronoun is used in place of a noun. It does not take a noun after it. Let's read the example. Her children were at fault, not ours. So as you can see, ours, that is a possessive pronoun, and after it we have not used a noun. This broken pen is yours. This magic bat is ours, not theirs. This pen is mine. So all the underlined words, all these are possessive pronoun and we are not using noun after it. Okay. But a possessive adjective is not used in place of a noun but along with the noun. Means when we will use possessive adjective, it will used along with the noun before the noun. Like Pulkit is my brother. So as you can see here, brother is noun and before that we have used my. So my is possessive adjective. This is your bike. Bike is noun and along with we have used your. So your is possessive adjective. We accepted our mistake. Mistake is noun here, and before that we have used our. So it is possessive adjective.